About this item, heavy checkmark innovative 3-in-1 multifunction. It is not only just a mini vacuum but also an air duster and hand pump. One end of the machine is connected to the nozzle for vacuuming, and connected to the vacuum slot, which turns into a hand pump for travel, and your vacuum storage bags are airtight vacuum packed. While the other end is connected to the nozzle for blowing dust. The nice price and multiple combinations make this keyboard duster become a perfect gift for your family members or friends. Heavy checkmark multiple accessories for different occasions. The accessories of this air duster have at least 5 combinations that can be used as keyboard cleaners and car interior cleaners. It not only can solve the debris in hard to reach places but also can work on crevices or camera lenses. The blow nozzle and the flexible hose are packed together. Please don't miss it when you open the package. Heavy checkmark reliable lithium battery technology and long battery life. The compressed air duster has 2 built-in 2000 mAh lithium batteries, 4000 mAh, passes 500 charge cycles tests, could provide a long running time for work, and only needs 3 to 4 hours to be fully charged each time. Heavy checkmark reusable and washable filter comes with 2 filters, one on the machine, one on the color box, convenient for you to use after the water wash can be exchanged. The USB mini vacuum adopts a dust container design and its filter meets the high efficiency